Introducing Thomas and Friends character Harold the helicopter. As you can see, it has Harold written big on the body. Look at the fan or blade on the top. Here's another one at the back. Harold had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 windows. Look at this. Make it stand wherever you like. Look at this. Mostly Harold has white, red. The text written is red and a little bit of black. That's it. And you can see the fans are gray color. Both the fans are gray color. Look at Harold here. Thank you viewers. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.